Okay, this is another package that I have received. Again, it's a mystery. Let's see what is it. Well, it was too securely packed. And let me open it now. Oh, Meade Series 4000 07049 F 6.3 focal reducer field flattener. Oh, that's a lovely thing. Yeah, remember. There is a lot of bad reviews about it because there were some glue problems with some of the eyepieces in America, especially distributed some years ago. But this is a British stock. And let's see. That's the reason it was sold very cheaply about it. So let me see what is it. Oh, it's quite impressive package. I'll open it now and have a look. Okay, I'm very impressed by how well packed it was. Now let's open it and see how it looks. Okay, this is clean. No glue or anything. So seems this is a UK stock and it has been away from all those batches of problematic batch in America. But that gives a bad name to the thing. When you go to Amazon or other places, people have nagged about it a lot. This looks alright. I got it half the price of the Celestron one. Yeah, it's quite good. I don't see any fault with this, and it does the job. Quite have a nice weight. Not very heavy, not very light. And with the Meade quality, I'm looking forward to use it on a telescope. This will practically increase the field of view of your telescope and also flattens the field of view. So it is good for as a corrector also, if you want to do some astrophotography.